Mouth-watering, impressive and oh so easy, and all made right on your stove. For the dry ingredients, we'll start with some flour, then some baking soda and some baking powder, then some cinnamon powder and a bit of salt. And we mix all of this well together with a whisk and set aside. Now take some caster sugar in a bowl and add a few eggs to this and some neutral tasting vegetable oil. Whisk this together until it's well combined, about 1 to 2 minutes. Greater whisking leads to a more airy batter. Now it's time to mix in our dry ingredients. Switching to a spatula, we'll gently fold this in. We don't want all the air we've whisked in to get flattened. Then we'll add the star of the show, some grated carrots. We're also adding some chopped walnuts to this to help make the cake moist. Mix this all through properly. You should get a slightly runny batter that is a good consistency for pouring. Now to the pan. We'll add some oil to grease it up. Spread a thin layer using a brush. Then ladle the batter into the pan. We're using exactly 1 cup of batter per pancake to make sure we get them all the same size. If the batter is thick, take a spoon and help spread it evenly. Make sure to cook them on a low temperature and check that the top is completely set before you flip. This batter makes exactly 5 pancakes. If there are slight cracks, don't worry. They'll get covered with the icing. Starting with some butter that is soft, along with some cream cheese, and make sure they're room temperature. Add a dash of vanilla for some extra flavor. Mix these properly together. Then add the icing sugar and whisk this through properly. It's really important to use icing sugar only for this purpose. When it's smooth and luscious, you know your icing is done. Now to assemble the cake. Starting with one of your pancakes, lay it down, add in a few spoons of the icing sugar and spread it well. Try not to go all the way to the edges. Repeat this with all the layers, saving some extra for the top layer. If you cut off the sides, the effect you get is that of a lovely naked cake. You can also decorate this however you like. We've used whole walnuts for ours. Cut this up and serve it to impress all your loved ones. We hope you liked this recipe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.